CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6 Given a scenario, configure Microsoft Windows settings. Network and Sharing Center. The Network and Sharing Center is a control panel utility that acts as a central hub for all things related to network connectivity on your Windows computer. It provides a comprehensive overview of your network status, connections, and settings, allowing you to manage and troubleshoot your network environment efficiently. When you open the Network and Sharing Center, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. At the top, you'll see your active network connections, indicating whether you're connected to the internet and which network you're currently using. This overview helps you quickly understand your connection status at a glance. Now, before we get distracted by the many features available here, let's head over to the link on the top left, labeled Change Your Adapter Settings. Clicking on this link opens a new window displaying all your network adapters, such as Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections. This window is where you can manage the hardware and software that enables your computer to connect to various networks. From this window, you can perform several crucial actions, such as enabling and disabling individual adapters. If you need to temporarily disconnect from a network, you can right-click on the adapter and select Disable. This is useful if you want to ensure no network activity occurs during certain tasks. To reconnect, simply right-click the adapter again and select Enable. You can also configure network adapter properties by selecting Properties. This opens up a window where you can access and modify various well-known network settings, such as IP addresses, DNS servers, or more advanced settings like quality of service or network adapter priority metrics. To wrap up, the Network and Sharing Center is your go-to tool for managing network connections and troubleshooting issues. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you have everything you need to maintain a smooth and reliable network experience. So, the next time you face a network hiccup, head to the Network and Sharing Center and take charge of your connectivity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.